Here's how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So first of all, you need to go ahead and log into your Facebook account. So if you no longer want a professional account, you can easily go ahead and turn it off. So go to your Facebook profile, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then go ahead and tap on your name to open your profile. Now in your profile, look for the three dot option, and there you'll see the option of turn off professional mode. As my account is not professional, there is the option of turn on professional mode available. But if your account is already turned to professional mode, you'll see the option of turn off. Go ahead, tap on that, and then press continue to confirm. Finally, press turn off again, and you'll be done. Professional mode is now off. The confirmation page will say it was successful, and you can press close. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.